Kitchen. Today we're going to make microwaved appalam, also known as papadum. I'm going to show you how to make appalam in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, we're going to use 3 appalams and then brush each side with oil. Make sure to do a little bit. Now let's microwave the appalams for 1.5 minutes. Now let's put the papadum into the microwave. Set the power level to 10. I'm going to cook it for 1.5 minutes. Now our microwave appalam is ready, just less than 2 minutes. Don't forget to try this recipe, and it's surely better than frying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and support my channel. Bye!